A very warm welcome to our viewers. I am Dr. Tarjeet Sabharwal from the Department of Journalism at the Delhi College of Arts and Commerce, University of Delhi. The focus of today's lecture is on data journalism, a relatively new and interesting concept that has found its place in newsrooms, and journalists are power-packed to tell their stories in the most convincing and credible manner. After our interaction through this lecture, you will be able to 1. To relate to the concept of data journalism, the stories that you see and read daily. 2. To understand the term data journalism explicitly as a journalistic practice in this digital age of information. 3. To identify the various components and strategies to make for effective storytelling. 4. To enable you to filter the flow of data and shape them into new stories. 5. To provide a context for the future of data journalism. Introduction. The explosion of information and data has affected the future of journalism and almost all fields of social sciences, including technology, in profound ways. Over the last couple of decades, particularly between 1996 and 2015, the emerging journalistic practice of data journalism has become the focus of researchers in diverse fields on data-driven and data journalism. However, just like most emerging phenomena in social sciences, there seems to be no commonly agreed upon definition of data journalism. Some social scientists point to the changes in the ethos of the newsrooms, while others delineate the role of data as an extra source in the news gathering process that require special skills to handle. Definition. Some definitions of data journalism state that news items that are churned out in newsrooms are based on data, and their interpretation and analysis is supported with some form of interactive visual images like maps or diagrams. While this definition pertains to a journalistic process, that is, developing stories by organizing and analyzing sets of data that is quantitative in nature, some others employ computational methods along with special support in terms of presentation, including interactive visuals. Needless to say, one may define data journalism as the concentrated use of structured information in processing news. According to the Data Journalism Handbook, data can be used in a dual manner. It can have an approach to tell a story as well as the source upon which a story is based, or both. It involves the use of statistics, charts, graphs or infographics. Data journalism has evolved as a new branch of journalism due to the humongous volume of digital information that is imploding and is used to spin the data into useful forms. Not long ago, journalists reported by being physically present on the scene and presented news as it unfolded in front of them. Today, however, news unfolds differently. It is spilling all over the place, be it over the internet or the multiple sources that add information through blogs, videos and social media. As a result, the need to be able to access and filter that continuous stream of information has become a difficult task and important task in newsrooms. By using data, a journalist's focus shifts from being the first person on the scene to being the one who contextualizes an event and aims to explain what it really means. The BBC has used the term data journalism in many ways. It highlights some basic components covering this term. With data, one can do more than the following: facilitate the reader to discover the story that is personally suited to him, reveal a story that is unfamiliar, unusual and unknown to the reader, help the reader with a lucid style to make a complex issue easily understandable. To help you gain an in-depth insight and familiarity with data journalism, it is important to begin with understanding this term. Understanding data journalism. The terms data and journalism are independent words that take on different meanings when discussed separately. Most of us believe that data pertains to a large collection of numbers that are displayed on a spreadsheet or on our computer screens. This was perhaps true at the dawn of the 21st century. But today, we live in a world of digitalization where every incident or event that makes use of numbers to tell a power-packed story. On the other hand, journalism is the process of gathering, packaging and disseminating news to a mass audience. The semantics of data journalism describes the way storytelling has changed and challenged traditional journalism, the ability to share a compelling story with the use of numbers, pictures, videos, animations and other interactive visualizations has transformed the traditional culture of newsrooms. The inflow of information into newsrooms from multiple sources and platforms, the vast networks of virtual communities ranking events, incidents and accidents by trolling and trending cannot be ignored by a modern journalist. The new possibilities that have cropped up with the range of digital information poses newer threats to journalists to connect with the public. Tiny pieces of information may not contextualize a story, but when sieved together, a larger picture is demonstrated. This lends insights and deeper meaning to the stories which directly impact us. The shape of a story relies on the kind of lens that is used to capture the event. Let us take the example of airstrikes in the region. The presentational techniques must not only engage with the geography, the destruction in terms of the casualties and infrastructure, the increase in pollution levels, the aerial space view etc. through data visualization components, but ensure that the non-tangible aspects transform the complex story into a meaningful narrative. This enables the viewers to connect and stay with the story. Journalists who master this trait to dig and transform data leave little room for critics to argue. Are old traditions transformed? The digital revolution has a new approach to journalism. There is a paradigm shift in the practice with the ever growing and intense link between data and journalism. The online environment has broken the tradition of news trickling inside newsrooms from digital and social media platforms rather than the reporter himself. However, the challenge is to deal with large unstructured data available in newsrooms. The online information environment is the first to have breaking news, and this has diluted the role of editors and the reporters alike. This shift has empowered everyone to gather and share any information on a plethora of digital platforms. In the midst of the information highway, it is the modern journalist who has an uphill task. He has to provide clarity, context and find the truth in the overflowing digital information. He has to curate, verify, arrange and integrate the elements to make sense of the story. The task of amalgamating stories from unstructured data is a huge responsibility. This is the essential toolkit that a modern journalist has to carry along.